In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect your JBL Tune 520BT to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up your JBL Tune 520BT on any iPhone model that you have is extremely simple. The best way to connect it is going to be over Bluetooth. So all that you have to do is on your iPhone, go over to the settings and you will be able to access Bluetooth. Inside of the Bluetooth settings, all that you have to do is make sure that it is enabled. Once Bluetooth is turned on, power on your JBL Tune 520BT headphones. All that you have to do is press and hold the power button. Now, usually to enter pairing mode, as soon as you turn it on, the blue LED is going to flash, indicating that it is ready to be paired. But if it doesn't enter pairing mode right away, you just have to power off and then hold the power button again for 5 seconds. By doing this, now it should be in pairing mode. So if you go back inside of the Bluetooth category on your iPhone, you will be able to find it listed under the devices. As long as it is in pairing mode, it is now ready to pair, and as soon as you choose it under the Bluetooth devices available for you to pair to on your iPhone, it is going to be paired up to the device. So now all the audio coming through on your iPhone is going to go to the JBL Tune 520BT. And of course, this should work for any compatible model. So as long as you are using a JBL headphone that has Bluetooth capabilities, you just have to put it in pairing mode and choose it under the Bluetooth devices ready to pair when you go over to the Bluetooth settings on any iPhone model. And of course, this is also going to work for any other manufacturer's headphones. Just make sure that Bluetooth is enabled and you will be able to find it under there. If you cannot find the JBL Tune 520BT, make sure that you are on a close enough distance to pair, and you can try restarting your iPhone. Besides this, double check to see if it wasn't paired up with other devices nearby. So for example, a console or a laptop. Make sure that it is paired to your iPhone and not something else. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect JBL Tune 520BT to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.